Hi all, Prompt here with a really exciting video. It's an update really to a video I made more than 2 years ago. More than 2 years ago in September of 2023, I had to evacuate my Minecraft base on the Anarchy server Constantium. Well, not technically Anarchy, but you know what I mean. My YouTube videos showed the natural texture rotations of stone blocks in my videos, such as right here. And why this is troubling is I had just seen this post, this GitHub repo. It looks like it hasn't been updated in over 4 years now, showing that there was a block rotation exploit where, based off of rotations, etc., you could find someone's base. This is the proof of concept app, and I couldn't for the life of me really get it to work. And I couldn't really set different blocks, etc. But the math was there. This guy did the research, and he even had a couple of modes here, and you could start cracking. Um, Pretty interesting, right? It says version 6 here, but version 7 on the release. But couldn't have done it without this guy. So, bring us to today and why we are looking at this wall. And that is because we now have this. Looks similar, but it isn't. So let me just go ahead and fix my texture real quick. Well, yeah, let's see here. Go to my documents. Where are they? Yep, Java, Chord Cracker, examples. There we go. I'm loading a pattern. And presto, fixed our pattern. So I did this earlier, and in 100 seconds, I was able to find this location that we were staring at that was 20,000 blocks away. I was using my GPU, so I was doing a speed of about 6 billion candidates a second. CPU, you'll get a lot less, but it's a very, very efficient application compared to how it was before. Really cool app. These textures aren't even the actual vanilla assets from the game. They're all stored as code. So this is completely, open source, and these are not the textures from the game, but at the same time, visually, they're the same because that's what you need for the tool to work. You can select, wall side, floor, ceiling. Everything's over there. Play around with it. Um, you just click start scanning, and it'll do its thing. The GitHub repo for mine is here. Um, all the resources you can need are down here. You can build it yourself using the build.sh, or you can just go over and get the current release where I just fix how the skulk showed up, because with the animation that was a little bit trickier to represent. But thanks for watching.